Good morning, students. As we were studying about the rational numbers, till now we have studied about the properties of addition of rational numbers. Today we have to study properties of subtraction of rational number. हमने अभी तक एडिशन की प्रॉपर्टी पढ़ी, अब हम यहाँ पे सब्ट्रैक्शन की प्रॉपर्टीज पढ़ेंगे। फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी इज क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी, द डिफरेंस ऑफ टू रेशनल नंबर इज a rational numbers. Closure property says that if we take difference between two rational numbers, the answer will be also a rational number. हम कोई दो रेशनल नंबर लेते हैं, अगर उसमें से एक रेशनल नंबर को दूसरे रेशनल नंबर में सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं तो द आंसर, जो आंसर हमें मिलता है, दैट इज आल्सो अ रेशनल नंबर. If p by q and r by s be any two rational numbers, here we take two rational numbers p by q and r by s. We find the difference between them. P by q minus r by s. So it will be a rational number. Here, for example, 7 by 3 first rational number, 1 by 4 is second rational number. We find the difference between 7 by 3 and minus 1 by 4. Here is negative because in difference we have to use the sign of negative. So the LCM of 3 and 4 will be 12. Divide 12 by 3, 3 4 ja 12. You have to multiply by 4 into 7. 7 4 ja 28. Divide 12 by 4, 4 3 ja 12, 3 1 ja 3. We take the difference of 28 and 3, we get 25 by 4, which is also rational number. So 7 by 3 is also rational number. My 1 by 4 is also rational number. Or difference of both 25 by 12, it is also rational numbers. So closure property subtraction says that the difference of two rational number is also a rational number. Second property is commutative property. Commutative property means in this property, the commutative property does not hold for subtraction of rational number. Commutative property does not hold for subtraction of rational numbers. In subtraction, closure property follow the subtraction, but commutative property does not follow the subtraction. In subtraction, two rational numbers p by q and r by s are two rational numbers. Then p by q minus r by s is not equal to r by s minus p by q. So commutative property does not. तो सब्ट्रैक्शन में कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी अप्लाई नहीं होता, क्योंकि फर्स्ट रेशनल नंबर में सेकंड रेशनल नंबर को अगर सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे तो आंसर पॉजिटिव में आएगा. अगर फर्स्ट रेशनल नंबर ज्यादा होगा, इफ फर्स्ट रेशनल नंबर बी ग्रेटर देन सेकंड रेशनल नंबर, द आंसर विल बी इन पॉजिटिव. बट हियर वी हैव चेंज्ड द ऑर्डर बिकॉज़ सेकंड रेशनल नंबर वाज लेसर देन. इफ p by q is greater than r by s, then it will be positive. In this condition, p by q is greater than r by s, the answer will be positive. But here it is lesser than, so q r by s and p by q is greater than r by s, so difference here it will be positive. But here r by s is less than p by q. So क्योंकि r by s की वैल्यू कम है और p by q की वैल्यू ज्यादा है, तो पहले वाले ज्यादा तो पहले क्या लगा माइनस, तो यहाँ पे आंसर क्या आएगा निगेटिव. So positive integer and negative integer both cannot be zero because positive integer is greater than negative integer. Positive rational number is greater than negative rational. So commutative properties does not hold for subtraction of rational numbers. Now take the third example, associative property. Third is associative. In associative properties does not hold for subtraction of rational number. Associative property does not hold for subtraction. Associative property does not hold for subtraction of rational number. Rational numbers. If p by q, r by s and t by u are three rational numbers, then p by q minus r by s minus t by u is not equal to p by q minus r by s minus t by u. It is not. तो associative property does not hold for subtraction. कोई भी three rational number p by q and r by s and t by u are three rational numbers, then p by q minus r by s in one group minus t by u and another p by q and in another group r by s and minus t by u. So in both we solve, the answer of both sides will not be equal. So दोनों साइड अगर सॉल्व करते हैं एग्जांपल लेके, ये either it will be greater than this or this will be greater than this, but both will not be equal. या तो ये बड़ा होगा या तो ये बड़ा होगा, या तो ये छोटा होगा ये बड़ा होगा, या तो ये बड़ा होगा ये छोटा होगा. एक की वैल्यू दूसरे से डिफरेंस आएगी, both are not equal. So associative property does not hold for subtraction of रेशनल नंबर. तो सब्ट्रैक्शन में एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी अप्लाई नहीं होगी. अब नेक्स्ट इज प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ जीरो. Fourth is property of zero. What is the property of 0? If 0 is subtracted from any number, the result is the rational number itself. If 0 is subtracted from a rational number, if 0 is subtracted from any rational number, the result is the rational number itself. For example, if p by q is a rational number, then p by q minus 0 is equal to p by q. Property of 0: if 0 is subtracted from any rational number, the result is the rational number itself. किसी भी रेशनल नंबर में अगर 0 को हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं तो आंसर जो हमें मिलता है वो वही रेशनल नंबर मिलती है. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल p by q माइनस 0 को सब्ट्रैक्ट किया तो आंसर क्या आया p by q. फॉर एग्जांपल फॉर एग्जांपल 3 by 5 minus 0 equal to 3 by 5 minus 5 by 7 minus 0 is equal to minus 5 by. So here we have subtracted 0 from the rational numbers. The answer what we get? Answer that is 3 by 5, here minus 5 by 7. So 0 is subtracted from any rational number, the result is the rational number itself. So it is sufficient for today. I think all of you have understood the properties of subtraction in rational number. First was closure property, second was commutative property, third was associative properties, fourth was property of 0. In subtraction, commutative property, associative property does not apply, does not hold. Only closure property apply and property of 0. Thanks for today, and do exercise from your exercise books, and I think all of you will be able to understand this because it is very simple. Take it easy and solve the question. So it is sufficient for today. So we meet in next video. Thanks for today.